Very typical, very masala, like a cabaret variety show, everything in it, songs, dances, fights, romance, familial values, everything put into one pot boiler.
Lovely.
And it's meant to be one of those blockbusters during summers or Christmas.
And Varun, how do you come into all of this? How do you feature in this?
For me, obviously, coming from another generation, I've grown up watching his films, and like you said, he is probably the biggest movie star in the world.
I have to be. You've interviewed me twice now.
Really?
I must be, yeah.
No, he definitely is. But I think coming here to the UK with him is really special, because when you're away from home, you don't expect this type of fanfare and so much noise, but it's been crazy.
This is what we're talking about.
It is very clear cut. The popular cinema, which we call the superhero films, the blockbusters of the Western genre, they have everything. Then there is the niche cinema, which doesn't have the songs, dancing, and very serious and very wonderful and very beautiful. So we kind of try to balance that. But obviously the popular ones typically come down to bigger areas like UK. We have an amazing diaspora here, and even non-diaspora people who watch the films.
Yes,
so for them, they need to see the typical...
They know what they want.
Yes.
It's like
You've got
going
to
to see a band or a pop group,
Correct.
and they play new material.
Yes.
You just want to hear the old hits. You want to hear
yeah.
that. Now, Varun, from your point of view, Shah was talking there about the diaspora, the Indian diaspora here, and you spent a few years in Nottingham.
I did.
Yeah?
I did. I spent a lot of time over there. 3 years I would go to the Cineworld, go and watch Indian films, Hollywood films. So for me, this is a bit crazy, because I would get up in the morning, put on Sky News, watched you as well sometimes
Top
in the
man.
morning.
Yes.
And now I'm sitting here on the show and watching a movie that I've started.
And like you said, he went to the school only because of the girl-to-boy ratio.
Which was the girl-to-boy ratio.
It was 6:1, she said.
I think
but
it was 6-1 in Nottingham.
It was, but
Yeah.
that was a myth a long time ago. But I think boys like you cottoned onto it and all moved to Nottingham.
messed
So I
it
think
up.
it's evened
Yeah.
itself out
Messed it
now.
up.
So, Varun, do you not intend staying on our lovely show? The fact you've got your coat on, you look as if you're ready to leave now.
No, this is just for the English weather, which
Because
I'm
you
back to it.
you don't get to wear it in Mumbai, so
Yeah.
he's like, I'm going to wear it on this show. I'm not getting a chance to.
This is my
wore it.
chance.
Charles, we mentioned earlier on you've got 16 million followers on Twitter, and this morning we've had so many in. I mean, questions to ask you. Most of them, I must admit, are marriage proposals. But how do you find your UK fan base? What's the reaction been since you've been here promoting this film?
You know, actually, I personally feel, and I'm not just saying it because I'm in UK, I think I'm not really, I'm a very urban kind of star for Indian standards, and I think I became a star because of the audience in UK and US, mostly the people from the subcontinent. So I owe my stardom to them. So it's like generations. I meet little girls who I knew when they were 12 years old. They're married with their kids who are about 5-6 years old. And they all come out to meet me and scream and shout.
They
Feels
do.
like home.
I mean, these marriage proposals are ridiculous we're getting this morning. Do any of you want a wife? Do you need a wife? Are you in
We
the
can forward
market?
them to you on Twitter.
I'm okay. I'm free on Fridays. So
You're free on Friday,
Fridays are
okay.
for weddings, yeah.
Varun, how are you fixed up these days?
I'm trying not to get married at the moment, so...
Well, Shah has created a whole new template which I think I could follow, because not only is he a movie star, he's also a TV star. He presents telly programmes. So why could I not do it in reverse?
You could, Eamon.
Is there a spot for Eamon perhaps in your next project? He can dance.
Yeah.
I can't vouch for his singing,
Yeah.
but...
Yeah, absolutely. I've been looking at you closely.
Yes.
And you're cast in my film. You're going to play my younger brother in the next one. 27. You're 27,
Yes,
you said so, yeah.
There are no wrinkles on a
No
balloon.
wrinkles at all.
I'm
It's
fine.
fantastic.
Yeah,
Wonderful.
I'm not very good, but I'd be cheap.
Yeah. And that's all we want.
Listen, are you going to have a premiere? Because people want to reach out, they want to touch you, they want to see you. There's so much love for you guys. The film itself is premiering. It's released nationwide December the 18th. Will people get a chance to see you? Will there be a premiere?
We have a premiere, but this time we're planning to hold it back home in India. But we'll come down for one of the screenings, but not like a premiere we normally have.
Okay.
Not this one.
Guys, we got to love you and leave you. We've got to say goodbye to you. The movie's Diwali, December the 18th at a cinema near you. Thank you so much indeed.
Thank you.